Children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Assignment 1 key of 10th class dated on 2nd July 2020. The topic is letter writing. In our 4th unit, children, there is a review on the film Maya Bazaar. So, this is rejoinder letter, rejoinder to that review. Rejoinder in the form of letter writing. Okay, in the newspaper, in Hindu newspaper, you noticed that review on Maya Bazaar. One person, Mr. Sharat Chandra, okay, in our textbook, he wrote one review on the film Maya Bazaar. So after reading that review, you are writing the rejoinder letter to the editor. Editor means this is formal letter. Okay, formats, format of formal letter, format of informal letter. So to know these things, very important. As it is formal letter, dear children, we can begin the letter. So here actually place and date, here from address and to address, right? We can begin with that. See here, Kakinada, 25th June 2020. This is simply from address, means I am writing the letter from Kakinada on this date. Okay, after that generally we have to write from address and to address, but to the editors from address no need. Okay, because they can't have enough time, that much time to reply us. So directly we can write, we can begin the letter with to address. Okay children, so to address. To address means after to don't keep any punctuation marks, comma or colon or semicolon, anything, don't keep them. To the editor, to the editor, the Hindu. So let us write here Vijayawada, right? This is to address. Next children, we can write salutation, sir or madam. Subject we can write not compulsory. If you want, write the subject here, a rejoinder to the review of the movie Maya Bazaar. Like this you can keep, otherwise directly you can begin the letter. See, in this one we can divide the letter into 3 paragraphs, primarily into 3 paragraphs, children. So this is first paragraph. Imagine this is first paragraph, means introductory paragraph, introductory paragraph. After that we can write the second one, second paragraph. Second paragraph means content, the main matter comes here. And after that, right, concluding paragraph. Okay children, so 3 paragraphs we can divide into, we can divide the whole letter into 3 paragraphs. The basic rule I am telling: introductory paragraph, content paragraph, concluding paragraph. So for this one, say we can begin like this. This is a rejoinder to the review of the movie Maya Bazaar. Maya Bazaar. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Sharat Chandra for his appreciation of the movie Maya Bazaar. I wholeheartedly agree with his view So like this we can begin the letter, and in the content paragraph we have to write the main matter. Okay, main matter, how this picture is picturized, how it is transformed into color version, right? So what are the merits and demerits? So all things we can write in second paragraph. In concluding paragraph, so like this we can write, I hope all will agree with me, right? So after that we can write, so after concluding paragraph, so we can write, so like this, thanking you, and this side you can write, yours truly. You can keep dots or you can keep intos, or you can write your name. So your address on the envelope we can write not compulsory, even if we write no problem. Okay children, this is actually the format of formal letter for this review. Okay, thank you children, all the best.